Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to download and sign up in the Masspro app. This app will help you to interact with your suppliers or the other suppliers who are listed in the Masspro app. With this app, you can find suppliers and start a business with them. To download this app, open the Play Store from your mobile. Search for the Masspro app. Check the developer name written as Sagar International Computech Private Limited. Then, choose the app. You can also find the link to this app in the description below. Click on Install. Now, open the app after installing. Click on Sign Up to create a user. You have to fill in the details as asked. Enter the company name. Then, enter email as your username. Choose end user if you are a customer. Or choose agent reporting only if you are a company representative of the supplier. For example, let's create a user for an end user. Then enter your active email ID for verification. Fill in your contact number and address. Enter the password, confirm it again, and click on Sign Up. Now, check for the verification mail. Click on Gmail. Select the mail. And click on the link below. Great, your email has been successfully verified. Now, open your Masspro app. Sign in using your login ID and password. Click on Sign In. Here you have to select the suppliers with whom you want to start your business online. For that, click on the suppliers. Then select the supplier from the list. And click on Send Request. Your job ends here. Wait for the supplier to accept your request. Once your request is accepted, you can see the items list of your selected suppliers and place orders online. And for more user details and settings, check the menu above on the left-hand side. Also check out another part of the video on how to use Masspro app for an end user. You can find the link of the video above in the I button, as well as in the description below. That was all for this video. Leave a like if this video was helpful to you, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials in the future.